Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the Google Assistant isn't available for this account during setup on your Samsung Galaxy A51. So as you can see, I couldn't achieve this kind of problem on this phone, so let's assume that this sign in label is that this here will have here the Google Assistant isn't available for this account, and let me tell you how to fix this issue. So if you have your Google account, like you see that you have here the Google Assistant isn't available for this account, you had to add the Wi-Fi connection to your phone. So go back, and here tap Add Network. Here, as you can see, we do have to add the network name and password, or wait until we see these networks on the list. Here, as you can see, we have to tap on the Wi-Fi network, some other Wi-Fi network, and add the wrong password. We have to tap Connect and go back and quickly tap Skip while we are connecting to the second network with the wrong password. Now, as you can see, here they have copy apps and data. Don't copy. And now if you tap skip, now we can just disable all the functions that Google wants us to have enabled. And more here. Accept. Skip anyway. And now we can tap agree, next, and finish. And the most important thing that I have to tell you is that this trick is very old, but was functional and is functional till this day, as you can see, because now we have no Samsung account and no Google account on this phone. And thus, of course, you can add your own Google account to this phone now by tapping on Google folder and Gmail over here. So don't worry, you can do so. You have Google functions in your phone, don't worry about that. And so as with the, wait a moment, where was that? In the settings and Samsung account. But the most important thing is that we have our blockage, as you can see, passed. And actually that's it for this video. Goodbye, have a nice day.